Hey, my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine because me, I'm fine. So I am finally braiding my hair, and you guys, this extension is so good. This is my first time trying it out, and I totally love it. But the only problem is that after braiding your hair, the flyaways are much. Like, you have to calm down and trim your hair. If not, your hair will be so rough. But the extension is so good. Is kind of like the texture is okay, and the length is also okay, and the quantity is also good because I couldn't even use all the extension. Like, I didn't use everything. So I totally recommend you guys. So I'm finally braiding my hair, first braid of the year, and I am so excited. And the problem is that in this video, I talked all throughout because my sister was outside gisting me. She said I'm
Jesus,
jealous
come
of her
on,
because she
somebody
made
wants
her
to
hair
keep
the
me.
other day and I'm making my own. Like, you
Oh,
guys.
accepted.
And I told her to leave me alone. I'm not jealous, okay? I am not. Because I have been wanting to make my hair even before she decided to make her own. So please, madam, leave me alone. Let me be. So I proceeded in parting my hair because I want to make Ghana weaving. Is it Ghana weaving? Anyway, I don't know. Some people don't know it as Ghana weaving. I want to make feeding braid at the front. So I had to part it, and you guys already know how I part my hair, like big mirror at the back and small mirror at the front to see what I am doing, if it's really going well or not. I know some of you always ask me, like, how do you see your back? How do you do this? It's not really easy, but I think I'm used to it, so it's not hard. For me, I don't know about someone else, so yeah. I noticed that the first line was too big, though I don't want to go for small braid, something medium because I don't want it too full. The weather is too hot, but I just had to braid my hair because I've been carrying my natural hair for too long. So yeah, let me braid my hair and look good. I beg, make I no go look like my problem. Okay, so nothing much, just normal knotless braid, which is feeding braid. Make it to your desired length and size, and that is just it. Nothing much, okay? And you guys, remember I told you I don't know how to teach someone, like, this thing they teach people, do it like this, do it this way. I expect you to watch the video and just learn, honestly, because I don't know how to explain. You guys, I don't know how to explain. But please, anytime you're watching my video and you really want to learn how to make your own hair, please watch closely, like look closely and see what I'm doing, okay? So I just part my hair to the size I want, and I braided my hair for about 5 to 6 steps before adding the extension, okay? And that is just it, nothing much. So the extension, I'm adding like three layer to 4. Then towards the ending, I will now add another extra 2 just for the length to be long. Okay. So repeat the same method until you are done. As you can see, we are progressing, and it's already giving what it should be giving, and I love it. Okay, I love the vibe my relaxed hair is giving in this braid, you guys. So let me allow you guys to watch and learn. guys, I think I should go to a salon and get my hair relaxed properly, because you know that if you watch the video where I relaxed my hair, the hair was not well relaxed, and the way I'm seeing my hair, I think I'm loving the relaxed hair era of a thing. I don't know. But you guys, I'm loving it. Okay, so I think I should go to the salon and get it done very well by someone else, because I can't really see every part of my hair. So that is why I need someone else to do it for me. So this is the feeding braid time, which is Ghana weaving. Okay, this is mainly for Ghana people. I don't know, maybe that is why they name the style Ghana weaving. So just plait your front hair with your natural hair before adding the extension. Without that, your edges are going to be chopped off if you start with the extension directly. But if you start with your hair first, your hair is safe for you. Okay, so do not start with extension. Start with your hair. Okay, baby. Thank you. God bless you. So we are getting there. We are almost done. I think one of the reasons why I relaxed my hair was because of Ghana weaving. Do you guys think that is the reason why, or one of the reasons why I relaxed my hair? I don't know. But you guys should be told, making Ghana weaving on relaxed hair is always good. It lasts longer and it always comes out neat. So who no like better thing? Abi who likes stress? If it was my afro hair, or more, this hair will not be as fine as this. And trust me, this hair, I will just carry it for 1 or 2 weeks and I am done. But you see this one, 1 month, 1 whole month. That is what I'm going to that is how long I'm going to carry this hair. And no doubt, don't doubt me. I know that some of you are doubting Thomas. Do not doubt me. And you guys, it's night already and we are still in this matter. At this point, I am tired. My tired is tired. But we are finally done. And this is my hair, guys. It looks so beautiful. But I don't know why my center party went one side. It was not centering at all. I don't know what I'm saying. But you guys, we are done, and this is me applying my hair oil, my hair growth oil, my brand. Please do well to come and patronize me and remain blessed. So you guys, what do you think? Do you like my hair? I couldn't film the full hair the day I finished it. It was the next morning that I filmed the, oh God, this English that work. So it was the next day that I filmed the final result, which is this. You guys, I look so gorgeous, so beautiful. Oh my God. I did try, I beg, make una give me my credit. I don't know why I did this mistake. My pattern wasn't pattern. I beg, no verse. Bye. I don't tire. The English go, I don't know it's not they speak again, I beg. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. I love you all. Bye.